everyone, it's Wednesday, November 18th. Today you have a reading day. So, since we are in our independent reading unit, it's going to be really important that you keep up with reading your independent reading novel. If you don't have one chosen yet, you need to get one pronto style. You are falling behind and you're not going to be able to practice all the things that we're going to be practicing if you don't have a book. So please make sure that you have a book. As you read today, I want you guys to fill out this SAT sheet. This sheet we went over earlier. If it'll pull up. It is going to help you analyze your text as you read it and make sure that you are paying attention to the important details and the important author choices. So the first thing is S is surface. So this is where you're looking at basic things like location, time, characters, basic events, diction, that means word choice. So are there any words that stand out to you that make you feel or think something? Detail choices, what things look like, imagery. You can't do any analysis until you understand what's happening in the story and you understand these basic things. So that's the first part. That's probably a lot of what you're going to be working on today since we're pretty early in starting your story. The second thing that you're going to be looking at is author choices. So you can look at specific choices the authors made. So at this level, you're trying to identify symbols, imagery, figurative language, writing style choices. You might be looking at choices that the author made with like location or characters names. The last thing that we're going to figure out with this, which we have to wait until you finish the entire book to do this, is to look at themes. So this is the hardest part, but we are going to use all the stuff in the S and the A that is going to help us. So remember that these need to be truly the most important ideas of the story. You need to have a topic, a claim, and a qualification for a three-part theme statement, which is what we've been practicing throughout this unit and throughout the past unit. So as you read, I want you to take notes on this sheet. So you should have your own copy of this sheet and you can type in author notes right in there so that you have a good idea. And then when it comes to actually creating your theme, you have a lot of notes that you can work from. So take notes today as you read. If you have questions, let me know. When you're finished with it, I want you to keep that SAT sheet. So you're not going to turn it in today because you're going to keep filling it out as you keep reading. I need you, though, to go and fill out this reading progress form. So it'll bring you to here. What you need to do is just tell me if you met your reading goal for the day, what questions you have. If you don't have a book yet, I still want you to fill this out so that I can see that you don't have a book. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.